Hello students, now we will discuss about the types of quadrilaters. What are the kinds of quadrilaters? See, let's talk about some types. So I will write the some names of the quadrilaters over that we will discuss in this session. Okay. So parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, then kite, then trapezium. These are all what types of quadrilateral. Okay. Now let's talk about parallelogram. Parallelogram. In this session, we will try to discuss about these different types of quadrilateral, their sides, their angles, their diagonals. We'll talk about all the properties which quadrilateral is similar to the other quadrilateral and why we will show this in this session. Okay. Now, parallelogram. In parallelogram, this type of figure is a parallelogram where the opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. This is also equal as well as parallel. Suppose if I name it A, B, C, D. In this case, you will see that AB is equal to CD as well as AB is parallel to CD. This should be parallel to CD. Also, AD is equal to BC as well as AD is parallel to BC. Then equal is what? Parallelogram. It shows that the side AB is equal to side CD as well as parallel, and side AD is equal to side BC as well as parallel. So this type of figure is known as what? Parallelogram. In this parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Okay. Then the opposite angles are also equal. The opposite pairs of angles are equal. The adjacent angles may be or may not be equal. But for a parallelogram, the opposite angles are what? Equal. Okay. Now, if we talk about diagonals, if I draw a line, if I join these two opposite vertices, you will see that it will intersect at point O. You will see that the two diagonals AC and BD intersect at point. It actually bisect each other. It means the diagonal AC is bisected by diagonal BD. Bisected means this line has been divided into two equal parts. Means AO is equal to OC. Same way, this diagonal AC bisects the diagonal BD into equal parts. Means OB is equal to OD. So, for a parallelogram, the opposite side should be, the opposite pair of sides, this side, and this side should be equal and parallel. The opposite angles are equal. The diagonals bisect each other at, not means bisect each other at point O, suppose. Okay, and one of the main thing I want to say that these two angles are what? Adjacent angles. No, either this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. These are what? Adjacent angle. Some of the adjacent angle is supplementary. You can say these two adjacent angles are supplementary. Means some of these two angles are what? How many? 360 degree. How it will happen? See, let me draw another parallelogram. Let me mark the angle. These two angles are opposite and equal. So let mark it as a 1, 1. and these two opposite angles are equal, so I'm going to say 2. And we know that in a quadrilateral, sum of the all the interior angles equal to how much? 360 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to how much? 360 degree. So implies that 2 angle 1 is there, 2 angle 1 plus 2 angle 2 is there, equal to 360 degree. We can take 2 common. Angle 1 plus angle 2 gives you 360 degree. It means angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to how much? 180 degree. We will divide it. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. It means angle 1 into what? Supplementary. Either this adjacent angle or this adjacent angle or this adjacent angle or this adjacent angle. It clears? So from parallelogram we came to know that the opposite pair of sides are equal as well as parallel. The opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other, and the consecutive angles or adjacent angles are what? Supplementary. Hope you understood this part.